For logged-in customers, your pop-out message can greet them with personalized details, like their first name and points balance. Let's set up this view to keep your customers excited to redeem their points and motivated to earn even more. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From your rewards page, go to the Messages section. Under Pop-out Message, click Message to customers who are logged in. To see the layout of the logged-in version, click the View structure. This version is simpler, with only two sections, a title and a body. You'll find text editors for both sections. You can format your text with common styling, use the toggle switches to show or hide content, and add merge tags for personalization. For example, you can use the customer's first name merge tag to greet members by name, or the store credit customer merge tag to display their available rewards balance. This setup makes your pop-out more personal, showing different content depending on whether a shopper is logged in or not. For example, you can welcome members back, highlight available rewards, or encourage them to engage more with your program. Once you're satisfied with your message setup, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it for the logged-in customer pop-out message. If you ever need guidance, the Get Help button's right at the top right, and Epic is always ready to lend a hand.